Hi, Victoria. Thank you very much for coming to talk to me today. So we're continuing on our little conversations with women in STEM and in science for International Women's Day. So this time we have got Wiktoria Kurkowska coming to talk to us. Victoria is doing a HLA with the SRC Regional College at the moment. And the HLA is for the Applied Industrial Sciences course. And at the minute, Victoria is working in Almac for her work experience aspect of the project. So thank you very much, Victoria, for coming to chat to me. Can you tell us a little bit then about what's involved in doing a HLA and what kind of things you have to do in Almac then at the moment?
So HLA is part-time course with SRC and gaining work experience with working professionals in Almac. Right now in Almac, as a year 2 apprentice, I'm doing more analytical work. So I'll be running analysis alongside everybody else in my team, which these tests I learned the theory of it in SRC, so to sort of combine with each other.
Okay.
I don't know what else to say.
Science in action, that's it.
Yeah.
So what actually got you to decide to do a HLA then? Obviously the applied science and the kind of work experience aspect will be important in it, but kind of what's the plan? How did you get to do your HLA, and then what's kind of the plan going forward in the future?
So from early on, like high school, year 8, I've always liked science and maths. So I've always wanted something to do with it. I've always enjoyed doing experiments, working in the lab. So I thought of actually applying to university, which I did. But whenever we had a talk with a past student from Portadown College, and she applied for apprenticeship and she was talking about it, I was like, I may actually have a look into it. And whenever I did, it sounded so much better, because with university, yes, you get your degree, you learn. But here, I learn on my feet.
Mm-hmm.
Here, I get to work in the lab and learn at the same time. So, if for someone that actually likes science, likes chemistry, I think this is a better pathway. And right now, I'm really enjoying it. And going forward, I hope to finish this degree and continue working with Almac. Maybe in the future, working somewhere else, but probably still within the chemical side of it, pharmaceutical side of it.
Okay, super. Well, with chemistry, you can go and do a whole massive range of degrees. So yeah, it's great to have something that gives you lots of options there as well.
Yeah.
So for given the spirit of International Women's Day, would you have any advice then for someone who was considering a career in science, and particularly the likes of young girls or women who are thinking of maybe changing career pathways and going and doing something to do with science and chemistry?
I would just say go for it. Life is short. it There needs to be more women within STEM, and it needs to get out there in the world that not only men, not only anybody else can do it, but women can as well.
Mm-hmm. Great.
And if you're enjoying everything, just do it.
Just go for it. Follow what you love.
Just go for it. Yep.
Well, thank you very much, Victoria. That was super. I can see you're busy at work there, so I'll let you get back to it. But thank you very much for coming on to chat to us today.